And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Thanksgiving again. Thanksgiving is so important. The Bible says in Psalm 22 verse 3 that God resides in the praises of his people, which means that if you don't give God thanks, he has no place to reside in your life. So without wasting my time, let's just start. So we're going to be taking a scriptural reference from Matthew chapter 14 verse 13 to 19. It's quite long, so I'm going to be reading it very fast. Okay. When Jesus heard of it, he departed thence by ship into a desert place apart, and when the people had heard thereof, they followed him on foot out of the cities. And when Jesus went forth, he saw a great multitude, and was moved with compassion toward them. He healed their sick. And when it was evening, his disciples came to him, saying, This is a desert place, and the time has now passed. Send the multitude away, and they may go into the villages to buy themselves victuals, or meats, or food. But they said unto him, They need not depart. But Jesus said unto him, They need not depart. Give ye them to eat. And they said unto him, We have here but 5 loaves and 2 fishes. He said, Bring them hither to me. And he commanded the multitude to sit down on the grass, and took the 5 loaves and the 2 fishes, and looking up to heaven, he blessed and brake and gave the loaves to his disciples, and the disciples to the multitude. There'll be some verses I'll read again just to explain them. And the first verse is verse 14. And Jesus went forth and saw a great multitude, and was moved with compassion toward them, and he healed their sick. Now the multitude was counted without women and children. And if you're reading is verse 19, and I read, And he commanded the multitude to sit down on the grass, and he took the 5 loaves and 2 fishes, and looking up to heaven, he blessed and brake and gave the loaves to his disciples, and the disciples to the multitude. Jesus knew that if he just said loaves be there, it's not going to work. He said, I need to add thanksgiving to this deal. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Jesus gave thanks to God, even though he is God. This just shows that thanksgiving is really important. I will end here on this note. When you give God thanks, miracles of multiplication take place in your life. Thank you, and have a blessed day.